Okie dokie, dokie dokie dokie. Ba-ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Like it's like one of the I wait. We just started. We've been in stream for 10 minutes. El pájaro blanco del diablo es mío. Let's not fail it, okay? By the way. No, we do not want to see criticals. Why is critical attack so powerful? The first ball? Okay. Let's freaking go! And I think that was like 10 balls. Jesus Christ. Hey yo, put the shiny there. Put the shiny. Your name shall be Zoe from K-Pop Demon Hunter because I say so. It looked like a phoenix, but you know, icy version. But I like it. Tiny, insignificant birdie, you shall witness el pájaro blanco del infierno. It low-key looks like ice. It is awesome. Well, the bird is dead. Woo! Nick is so awesome. He uses a legendary shiny bird to fly him around. That much of an alpha he is. Yeah, low-key pretty good flex.